What's good, pretties? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be installing and styling this ISEE hair kinky curly unit that I received a week ago. So we finally get into this. I am in love. If you can't tell, I'm feeling myself. Get a good look. Get a good look. Decide if you want to stay. If you do, continue watching. If you don't, continue watching. I mean, come on, it's okay. Let me know what y'all think down below, as always. And if you're new, hit the subscribe button before the video even start. I just know you're gonna like me. Keep watching to know what I used on this hair, know how I styled it, and learn all the stats about the hair itself. So I'm gonna see y'all in a second. Alright, y'all, we're just gonna jump into it as usual. I'm just gonna put the wig on. I'm using Got To Be spray this time. I'm not gonna talk during it. Y'all have seen it so many times, and I just put up a video on how I do my method, so watch that if you want to know like the detailed version. But I'm just gonna pop the wig on real quick, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna style it together. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, my hair is tied down because we're waiting for the edges to dry. I sprayed like one last coat of Got To Be spray on them, and they should be good after I take this little tie off. But I was thinking about doing a half up, half down on this hair because I've had this hair before. I did it a while ago, like almost not even a year ago, like a couple months ago, which I know I started my channel less than a year ago, so like it was towards the beginning of when I started my channel. I put out a video on that hair and I wore it in a half up, half down, but I never showed it because I ended up just got distracted and never put the wig back on to show y'all. So I want to do a half up, half down. If you watched one of my last videos, you would have seen that my hot comb broke and it literally blew up in my face. So we don't have a hot comb to work with, and I'm really limited on like supplies, so I don't know how that would work. It's gonna take some extra effort, but yeah, I definitely think I'm gonna do a half up, half down just to show you guys. Better late than never, and also I feel like that'd be kind of cute for this hair. I'm just trying to part out where I want the half up, half down to go. Okay, so now that the parts that we're gonna put in the ponytail, we're gonna work on the back part, I think, while it's wrapped up, so that we don't gotta worry about it later. So we're gonna do my usual routine. If you're new, you wouldn't know, so I'm gonna go through it real quick. We're just gonna spray this down with water, and then I'm gonna show you guys if I use any products. We got some shedding, but also keep in mind we just got the lace, but we're not really combing through laced parts, so I guess that's just regular out the box shedding. If you don't know already, I like to do my hair in 2 sections when I'm showing you guys, so it's easy to work with. So yeah, I sprayed it with water. This hair, I will say, it absorbs water really fast because right now it's feeling like dry. So I'm gonna add some more water real quick. Okay, so here's how wet I want the hair. So next we're gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner. So so that it keeps this wetness a little longer. Okay, y'all should already know by now. We coming in with the Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. And if you don't know, now you know. Okay, this is what I've been using for like the past couple videos. And we're just gonna put it throughout this section. If it looks like I grabbed a lot, I did. It's because I spilt it and I had to pick it up. Okay, I'm gonna brush this in to kind of get rid of those curls that was in it from me washing it. Alright, so for this style, we're gonna want to take some Eco Styler. I'm putting it at the root, like at the very top, because we want it to lay flat, like away from the ponytail. Without a hot comb, it won't be as flat as I kind of wanted it to be. So we're improvising, and then just brush it out. I'm gonna do the other side, and then I'm gonna come show y'all both of them in a second. Alright, so I got both sides done. This is how they're looking. But now it's time to take the head wrap off. So we can finally do the half up part. We'll probably start with baby hairs first, because I feel like that would be the easiest thing to do. Ooh! Bruh. I plucked the hell out of this wig. Period. Oh my god. I don't even want baby hairs anymore. Yeah, we can't do baby hairs. That would just be a crime to do baby hairs right now. We're gonna take this down, and somehow we're gonna figure out how to get this into the perfect half up, half down without lifting up the Got To Be spray, which is gonna be hard but not impossible. First, I think I'm gonna leave some of this hair down over here so that this won't lift when we lay it back down. So this is what we have right now. First of all, scalp. Second of all, we're going to I think I'm gonna use no water so that it'll be sleek, Got To Be spray, and then gel if I need to, but I'm hoping I could do it with Got To Be spray. So I'm gonna do a spray with Got To Be spray. I try to avoid the lace so the lace won't lift back up. Okay, so that was a lot easier than I thought it would be, to be honest. Because right now, this is already going up. Okay, so now that we got it up, I'm going to go ahead and spray down this part that was lifting, even though it's not anymore, but I'm gonna spray down, wrap it up one more time, and then we're gonna style this while that's wrapped up. Okay, so I'm gonna, now that I have that wrapped up, I'm gonna do my ponytail one more time because I think I want it to be a little more tight and smooth. I'm gonna define it the same way we did the bottom half. Okay, so I got it up into the half up, half down. The curls are defined and everything. Now we just need to unwrap it. I was gonna wait for this to dry and like get all curly, but honestly I don't think it really matters. The rest is dry, and we're gonna like finger comb out these curls that we made. Okay, so I'm just separating these curls from in the back. Okay, so this is how the hair is looking. I did let it dry just a little bit. This side is still damp. This side is still damp as well, but it's a little more dry. And then the top part is a little dry as well. I think I'm gonna just tell y'all about the hair, and then while I'm telling y'all everything, it will be drying and I can give y'all my final thoughts at the end. Okay, so just like my last video on this hair, it's ISEE Hair's Kinky Curly Lace Front Wig. I believe it's a 13 by 6. It felt kind of big inside. I'm also not sure of the density, so I'll put that over here if I find out. And it is definitely a medium cap. I'm reading my emails right now, and I thought that I asked for a large, but it looks like I forgot to ask, so, and it fits me fine, to be honest. And I am currently wearing it in 22 inches. I don't remember how long it was last time, but I know it was longer. I believe it was 26. So this is shorter than my last one, and the curls are just as pretty. Yeah, I definitely love this hair. I love the lace. I am a little mad at myself. I put too dark of a foundation mixture on my lace, just like a shade too dark, and I'm kind of upset about it. But at the end of the day, it looks bomb, and you can tell that I plucked the hell out of this wig. I don't care what nobody says, I literally did my thing with this wig. As y'all know, or as y'all will come to know by watching my channel, ISEE Hair is one of my top favorite companies. So I definitely was really excited to receive this hair, and it has surpassed my expectations. The curl pattern on this hair is gorgeous as always, and it is definitely true to length because it felt a little long when I first got it. This hair came pretty fast with all this coronavirus stuff going on. It came in a week and about 2 days after I received my tracking number. But y'all let me know what you think. As always, I love to hear y'all opinion down below so that I know if y'all are feeling the hair or you're not feeling the hair, or you think we could have did something different. Just let me know down below. But you'll find the link to this hair down below, and I'm sure there's a coupon code down there. You just need to check down there for all of the details. I don't reply to comments to ask for details because it's in the description box and I say it. So if you guys have any video suggestions, just let me know. I'm working YouTube full-time currently, so this is literally like all I'm doing, this and running my businesses. So I'm here to cater to y'all. Like, if you want to see something, just let me know. Subscribe if you're new, and if you old, welcome back, sis. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and I'm gonna see you in my next video.